Hey guys, and welcome back. Of course, a great big welcome to everybody new. Well, I have got some new fun finds today, as our friend Scrap Diva 29, Erica, would say, and I really wanted to share them with you guys. So it's not a big, hunormous, ginormous haul as I usually do. I have come to realize that the meaning of the word haul has somewhat evolved on YouTube to include, more than just a massive $200 to $1,000 shopping spree. So here I am to show you some of my new goodies. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, and let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys, so I got some super cute stuff that I can't wait to share with you. I think I'm going to start off with these. These are super cute. These are called Fimo hearts. They're little Fimo slices. These are so cute. So you guys can definitely use these in your shakers, for your resin shakers, and, your paper craft shakers, anything like that. And of course, you can use them, for toppings on slime and everything else. And I thought these were so cute. They're kind of like a bubble heart, and they have like a shine on them. Absolutely love those. Then I actually had the little bag of these come in. Some of you might remember I actually got a big bag of 50 of these come in a few weeks ago, or a couple months ago, possibly even. But these I actually bought first, and they came after. So these are just the little super cute conversation hearts in the pastel colors. Absolutely love those. I also got a bag of these dual colored mochi pom-poms. I already have these in a couple other colors, but I didn't have them in this color yet, so I thought they would be super cute. I actually got some more of the clay sprinkles over here. These ones are kind of like a dark teal turquoisey color. Really on the verge of being green, but still, still in the turquoise category. And these are actually bigger than the regular clay heart sprinkles, and even bigger than these Fimo hearts, if you guys can see. They are pretty reminiscent of conversation hearts, and it's actually very hard to find clay sprinkles in this color, which is why I picked them up in this color and not the mixed bag. And then I also got a whole bunch of sequins. So I got these ones, and I had been eyeing these ones for so long, you guys. They are so super pretty. Just look at that. They are kind of like a hexagon shape, but they are hollow. And yeah, there is a couple different sizes in here, and I just absolutely love that color. It is like a bright, almost neon, but bubblegum pink. Like, it is so cute. Absolutely love it. Then I got these ones, and you guys know that this shape right here is one of my favorite sequins to buy. And this color is actually not sold by every seller. This color is actually like more difficult, more rare color to find. So I definitely had to pick these up. Knew these would be perfect for all of my mermaid themed projects. And they're also kind of iridescent. Absolutely love those. I also got more of the little unicorn heads, and I think these are so adorable. These come in a couple different sizes, and this is the smaller size. Still definitely pretty big though, nice size for a sequins. And I did already have these in a few different colors, but I didn't have the baby blue, so I definitely grabbed those. Then I got these 2 packs over here, and these ones are almost like a large glitter, or rather than a sequence, or like maybe you could call them a tiny sequins. I don't even know if they'd be considered a spangle, but I thought these were so cute. These are little lightning bolts, you guys. Now, I am going to admit, I thought these ones were going to be a lot more pastel. They did look a lot more pastel online. So now that these have arrived to this color, I think I'm going to get the brighter shade of pink to go with them. But these are little lightning bolts, you guys, and you can get them in a whole variety of color. And I just thought those were so adorable, so I definitely had to pick those up. And one of the sellers that I buy from is always constantly sending me extras with every single purchase. So no matter what I buy, like even if I only buy one package of sequins from them at a time, I will get at least one little extra baggie with it. And if you buy a whole bunch of stuff, she'll give you a whole bunch of stuff. So let's see what little extras she gave me this time. I'm so excited. So it looks like we got some little pink stars. And that is a good amount there too, you guys. Like, that is easily enough for one project, if not more. We got these. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is like an iridescent glitter mix. It has pink, it has iridescent, like translucent white, and then it's also got some stars in there. So super pretty. I think, oh, and hearts too. I love that. And then over here, these are airplanes. Oh my goodness, you guys. Not sure what I'll do with these, but you never know when something will come in handy. So these are airplanes, but they're in like fall colors. And then over here, we've got more of the lightnings. Okay, so here you guys can see some of the other colors that they come in. You can get them in like that light lime green. You can get them in yellow. And I think they might also come in a baby blue. We've got some Fimo slice apples, so some little clay apples. And then, oh, it looks like I got 2 bags of the lightnings. And I think she might actually have these pre-made up because I have got the same ones a few different times, but I do tend to get new ones a lot as well. So other than the sequins and the pom-poms and the charms, I also got a few beading supplies. Not too much, but a few things for making little charms and stuff. I honestly, you guys, had these on my wish list for like 3 years. I thought they were so pretty. Don't know why I never ended up buying them before because they are so cute. I think I might have, like, must have found them like right at the end or just after my like huge beading spree. And that's probably why, because I know if I had found these when I was really big into beading, I definitely would have snatched them up. But these are bead caps, only they are flowers. Well, I know lots of bead caps are flowers, but these are actually acrylic, so they're not glass. They are all different little pastel colors. They are so pretty. So I can't wait to make something with those. Like, these are perfect for spring, but the orange ones you could even use for Halloween. Like, I absolutely love these, you guys. Kind of like wishing I had got a pack of like maybe just pink ones, so I might end up doing that in the future. I also got some other stuff for my beading. I got these right here, and if you're not sure what these are, by the way, I am so happy that the beading community, or the paper crafting community who has taken up beading, I should say, is into the acrylic beads and stuff, because back like in the day, acrylic beads were a no-no. Nobody wanted them, nobody hauled them. So I used to buy all these pastel beads, like bubblegum looking beads, only they'd be glass. But anyway, you guys seem to not mind acrylic beads now, which I think is so awesome because they are so cute. So anyway, here is an example. Don't be nervous because they're not attached. Here are some examples of what you guys can make with these. So like, just imagine that hanging off a planner, or like that could be hanging off a backpack, something like that. This could be like a zipper pull. Okay, I think it would be super cute hanging off the side of a planner though. And then you have your little charm at the bottom, your little dangle, you put your clasp at the top. So cute. And I mean, of course, me with my style, I would even wear this as a bracelet or a necklace. So I absolutely love these. Once again, had these on my wish list for like 4 or 5 years, finally got them. And then I also got some more plastic chain. I usually always get my plastic chain from eBay, but I had never seen this color on eBay before. So this is from Aliexpress, and this is quite different because, as you guys can see, it's all one large strand. Whereas normally when you buy this type of plastic chain, it comes in like these short strands about this big. So if you want to make something longer, you have to attach it with like a jump ring or some kind of, you know, whatever you're using, some kind of connector. So I thought this was really awesome, and I absolutely love the color. Hopefully it's showing up. Just realized that I didn't even turn my filming lights on. Sorry about that, you guys, but I did get those. I also picked up these little blue cabochons, which I think are so super cute. Oh my goodness, they're beads. You guys, I had no idea these have holes in them. Oh my goodness, these are beads. Okay, so these actually looked a lot more teal online, and then they arrived and they're actually blue. So if I had known that, I probably wouldn't have bought them, but I still think they are super cute. I'm probably going to use them like not as beads, more not as beads, but still they are super pretty with the two-tone color. And we're almost done, but I also did get these, and this is another item that I had in my cart for ages, over a year, but less than 2 years. This is actually a new resin charm that came out in 2019. And they are so super cute. As you guys know, I am a connoisseur of all things flatback and resin and all things charm related. So when I saw these, I knew that I had to get them. But of course, I have hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of things on my wish list, and they got pushed to the side. And then it wasn't until a couple months ago, I was looking through my wish list and it came across them again. And I was like, you know what? These are too cute. I'm going to have to grab them. I put them in my cart and I actually ended up buying them this time. So as you can see, they have the most adorable little kawaii faces, and you get these 5 different colors right here. And I'm pretty sure you can actually choose whether you want the mixed bag or like you can get like just blue, just yellow. And I'm not sure how well you can tell on camera, but these actually are 2 different shades of pink. One of them has like a little bit more purple in it, but they are both super cute. And last but not least, and I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see these items, but I got a couple little resin molds. And I know it's been a while since I've hauled molds for you guys, but that is because I get the Sophie and Toffee Elves box every month, so it is constantly supplying me with new molds, so I like never need to buy molds anymore. But when I saw these, I just couldn't pass them up. I'm pretty sure these were actually, may have been in a prior Elves box, only it's very random. Like sometimes they give a different mold, like they'll have like 10 different molds and it could be random which one you get. But anyway, this makes a really adorable little kawaii like ray gun, like a little space gun, which I think is so adorable. It is also a shaker, and the thing I like about this listing is that you can actually get the little acetate pieces pre-cut, which totally eliminates the need for any fussy cutting, you guys, because let's be honest, most of us don't have a die in the shape of, you know, these resin molds, although they definitely should start coming out with them. But anyway, this is just this adorable little like kawaii anime magical girl style pistol or ray gun, and I absolutely love it. And I've got the little acetate pieces here, and that is going to make such a cute little shaker. And then I also got it in this style over here, which is like a little star-shaped perfume bottle or magic potion bottle, if you will. And as you guys can see, this one also makes a shaker, and I think it might actually be a double shaker, so you can put like one color on one side, one color on the other. And once again, I got the pre-cut acetate sheets to go along with it. I will link these for you down below. I definitely always recommend going with a listing that offers the acetate sheets because it just makes everything so much easier. Well guys, that's it for today's video. If you like what you see, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing? And click that notification bell because I have lots more crafty goodies to share. Don't forget to check out my shop, linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.